Good morning, kids, and welcome to our math class. Today we will discuss with our next topics, and before this we have discussed about so many topics which I want to just once I will revise it and we will move forward. We have studied kids on under, yes or no? On the glass is on the table, the bottle is under the table. You have studied and I have solved this worksheet and I have sent you a PDF also, so that we will go to a next, and this one is second one. Just we will revise it and we will go ahead. Inside, outside. This boy is inside the house, these two boys are outside the house. We have understood the concept of inside and outside. Now above, below, above and below. The fan is above the boy. This fan is above the boy and boy is below the fan. Boy is below the fan. Yes or no? You have understood that. Again now, near and far. You studied about near, far. By observing the picture, I have told you which dog was near and far. You have colored these butterflies also, yes or no? Now next we will go, that is small and big. Small and big. In your UKG, you have studied about smaller and bigger concept, yes or no? In that you have seen bigger number and also smaller number. Now here let us compare the size of fox and an elephant. A fox is small, an elephant is big. The fox is small and elephant is big. This fox is small, yes or no? Small than this elephant. In these both animals you compare which animal is small. Which is small? Fox is small and elephant is big, yes or no? Now you understood which is the small. Fox is a small animal and elephant is a big animal. Now observe the figure. Circle the small object and cross the big object each group. Here some groups have been given, and in this group you are going to circle the smaller object and put a wrong mark on the bigger object. First tell me which bottle is bigger in this both. This one. So what you will do? Put a cross mark on it. Put a circle to the smallest object. This is the smallest object, so you need to put a circle on it. Now here, this is smaller or this is bigger? This is bigger, so you have to put the cross mark on it, and this is the smaller, so you are going to put a circle on it. Now the next, look at the picture. Which is the smaller one? You have to put a circle. This is small, so you will put a circle on this, and this is big, so you will put a cross mark on it. Same in the next D one. Which is the bigger fruit? For that you have to put a cross mark. Mark it as a wrong. Okay, now smaller thing you have to put a circle. Okay. Do as directed means how they have told for each question, like that you have to do. Draw a star bigger than the one given. This is the given star, so you need to draw a bigger star than a given star, so you need to draw a bigger one. Okay, so that it will be, this is the smaller and this is the bigger. This is smaller star and this is bigger star. You have drawn the star bigger than the given star. Okay, now next, draw a flower smaller than the one given. Here is one flower given, so you need to draw a small one, smaller than this given flower. Okay, this will be the smaller one. Observe each object with S for the small object and B for the bigger object. You have to write S in the smaller object box and B in the bigger object box. So here you write yes, because this table is smaller than this. So yes, this is big. So write B because it is a bigger one. Now here pencil is big. Write big. Eraser is small. So you write yes it here. Now next, which is bigger? There you are going to write B. Which is smaller? There you are going to write yes. Same as which object is bigger, you write B. Which object is smaller, write S. Here you write yes and here you write B. Okay, now next. Less, more. Less, more. This bucket has more water. This bucket has more water in it. This bucket has less water. More water, less water. More dots, less dots. More, less. More content has a more. In this bucket, water is more. In this bucket, water is less. Okay. Observe these pictures and do as directed. Which circle the container with more pencils. Which container has the more pencil? Kids, in both container there are pencils, but which container has the more pencils? To that you need to circle it. Okay. Cross the container which with a less pencil. The container which has less pencil, for that you need to mark it as a cross. Now next, the trees. Circle the trees which are more fruits. These are the fruits shown. Okay. Which tree has the more fruits? You need to circle that tree. You need to circle this tree because this tree has the more fruits. Cross the tree with the less fruit. This tree you need to cross it because it has the less fruits. Observe the group. Correct, mark the correct, the one that has less items, and cross the one that has more items. You have to put this mark where it has where are the less items. Okay, these are less. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are having 7. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Which is more? This is less. So, for less you put a right mark. For more you put a wrong mark. Cycles. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. More. So, put a wrong mark. 1, 2. Less. So, right. Words. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is less than 9. So, you put a correct mark in less, wrong mark in more. Same here, bananas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 bananas. Here are 5 bananas. So put a wrong mark here and correct mark here. So that we next study the next one. You understood now more and less. Now before, after and between. Before, after and between. Study this example. After, before. Okay. Now a dog, a lion and a zebra are standing in a line. The dog is before the lion. This dog is before this lion. The lion is before the zebra. Lion is before the zebra. The lion is after the dog.